If you guys think this is crazy and insane, Dave said leave a comment. We're praying that the engine don't fall off. Let's see that we're in, Dave. Why do you choose Cerakote over paint?
The colors and the sheen that it gives, thin coating, and the reliability.
What's poppin', mother suckers? Whoa! Welcome back to the Tony Push Jr. Show, baby. And today is exciting. Today we are working on the engine and the transmission for the 6.9 Camaro, aka Zen. Oh yeah, it's going down. So today I'm going to degrease and power wash the engine and transmission. Then I'm gonna disassemble it. Then it's gonna go to my homeboy Dave, aka Gueroscuztoms, and he's gonna cerakote the engine and transmission. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. And then when it comes back, I'll reassemble the engine and transmission and then show y'all that luxurious color that it's gonna be. Oh man, I can't wait to show y'all. And shout out to Dave. Thanks for letting me use the power wash, dog. I'll owe you a cup of tea or some crumpets or whatever it is you want, maybe some pig feet. We'll get you some, Dave. In the meantime, in between time, make sure you hit them mother-sucking buttons to like, to share, to comment, subscribe. I'm gonna go get some safety glasses on so we can degrease it. Here we go. Here is the engine and the transmission. Now, look, I know there's a lot of stuff going on right now, a lot of dirt and grime and wires, and I don't even want to know what that is. But I promise you, this all is about to transform right now, because with that mother sucker right there and that little thing right there, it's about to go down. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the power washing. Let's do some degreasing, baby. Yep. Soak him up. Soak him all the way up. The engine transmission has been degreased. Now it's time to take all that dirt off, baby. But I need my safety goggles because I don't want no splashback. You know, you don't want none of that wetness to get on you in your peripherals while you're doing your thing. So let me go ahead, fire this bad boy up, and it's time for some water spurting action. All right, so now we got the engine nice and clean, well, clean-ish. The next step is to remove the cylinder heads, the rest of the front accessories, so I can really get into all the nook and crannies and the little booger sections and get all that grime and stuff out. I'm gonna go ahead and do all that stuff, and the next time you see me, we gonna be making gueroscuztoms, aka David Visit, so we can cerakote the engine and all the other parts. Let's go. The day has come. It is time for Dave to come pick up the engine and transmission so he can take it and cerakote everything, and he should be here any minute now. I'm just waiting to see when his day's gonna show up. Let's do this, dog. Where you at, baby?
Five hours later.
What up, Dave? Been waiting on you all day, Doc. You finally here? How you doing, man?
Fine, man.
It's good to see you, man.
Put it on the spot.
You ready to do this?
Are you ready to do this?
You ready to do? Why you got gloves, Dave? Dave, hold on.
You're about to get dirty.
Just
because you clean the engine doesn't mean it's clean. So what we doing?
You know what we doing? We about to sell this on eBay.
Oh, you gotta put a Mexican to work, huh?
Hey, man, people, hey.
You was moving, not me.
This is an equal country. You can't.
Wide open. There you go.
Hey, don't you know we filming? All right, look, y'all. Dave got this genius idea. Look, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know if this is gonna work, but he wants to.
I don't either. Hit my motor. Find out.
He doesn't want to just put the motor all the way in with the hoist, because
He
wants to flat rate it. Do you see what we dealing with? If you guys think this is crazy and insane, Dave said leave a comment.
Like, subscribe.
Like,
Hit
subscribe.
that like button.
We're praying that the engine don't fall off the back of the truck. Oh, Lord.
The streets already got enough potholes. We don't need more. I mean, yeah, the engine. We don't want.
Engine. Look, this is not a YouTube tutorial. All right, so please don't try this at home, kids. Please. Or if you do, let us know if you made it. The drop off is done. He's got all the parts and the pieces and everything. The next time we'll be picking up all the pieces from Gueroscuztoms, aka Dave's Garage, aka the Hitman, aka I don't know what he's doing behind me right now because it looks suspect. But I'm not gonna call the cops on him. Call the cops. Today, we're going back to Dave's, aka Gueroscuztoms, to pick up the engine and transmission today, baby, so we can see the final color. We're gonna go over there because he's about to lay down the cerakote, and we're gonna get him and capture him doing that process. And then from there, I'll take the engine and the transmission back to my facility so I can assemble it, and then I will show y'all this color that it shall become. So I'm so freaking juiced. So without further ado, let's go over to Gueroscuztoms, aka Dave, aka he owed me $5. Hey, yo, Dave, I'm here, son. I'm here, baby. Open up the door. Open up the door, cause I'm here, baby.
Wait.
Hey, Smokey, is that you? Hey, dog, why you look like Darth Vader? You about to use the Force?
It's getting real dark over here, man.
All right, so we got Dave did a beautiful job of masking off the engine and the transmission. And what I didn't tell y'all is he's also doing the rear on. I got to get a better nickname for rear end. But look at Dave's rear end. Look at look. Oh, let's see that rear end, Dave. Shake that tail feather. All right, he's also doing water pump and the oil pan. Dave, they don't know the color yet.
No, they do not.
Nuh-uh, but he's shaking it up. So Dave, real quick, why do you choose Cerakote over paint? Like, cause I'm doing this cause you did it. So
I chose it just for the simple fact the colors and the sheen that it gives. I know you can probably get that with using other paints or whatnot. And then the thin coating and the reliability.
What's the temperature? What's the temperature?
Temperature ratings depending on the color that you get. Most of the time, the dark colors and some other lighter colors are on the lighter colors. It's lower temperature, 300, but on the dark colors up to 1200 degrees. So you can put it on exhaust and stuff like that. Engine work will be no biggie.
Oh really? What about them cheeks? Will it withstand?
Let me do it.
No! Don't show them the color.
Right,
don't do it. Oh gosh. Oh, choose your friends wisely. So Dave's getting situated. He's got his gun. He even sandblasted a bunch of the bolts and other stuff that needed done too. And now he's just prepping, and he's getting ready to lay this Cerakote down. Not paint, Cerakote on the rear end, the engine and transmission. So without further ado,
it ain't powder coating either. It's Cerakote.
Oh shoot! Ooh, hey, I think I touched the soft spot. There's a couple other spots I want to touch. Oh God! So let's get it. We're gonna show Dave get down, and then I'll be back. Uno momento. So what you think, Dave? Job well done, man.
I hope so. Customer satisfied.
I don't know about certified, but it'll do.
Sorry, dog.
Woo.
Come out nice.
Yeah, that thing came out.
Nice and clean, man. It's a good color.
It's sexy. It's so sexy. I wish we could show them the color right now, Dave.
Oh, we could. Let me get the bottle.
No, don't you go. See, that's why they say keep your enemies close and your friends, you just don't have them.
I don't have enemies when you got friends.
But where those customs, this motherfucker did his thing, y'all. He killed it. Oh my goodness. It's raw. It's raw. So now the thing is, this stuff has to dry for a few days. Dave, how long you say before you can touch it?
Probably about half an hour to be sure. I mean, you don't want to start handling until a few hours later.
Okay.
Until a few hours later, but to the touch, it's down there within half an hour for sure.
Okay.
Then the 5 days for curing on the C class.
Okay. Is this
For it to harden.
for it to harden
Because,
up?
yeah, it's the air cure, not the heated cure. So
Okay.
it takes some time for it to do its process. But I mean, within a day for sure, you can move it around, put it anywhere, and just let it cure on its own.
That's what's
No
up.
oven curing.
Oh, yes. You heard what he said. There's no oven curing.
Air cool.
It's
Air
all air cured, air cured, air dried, air cured. Oh, by the way, he also said, I will forever have a piece of him inside of me. Meaning car parts that he painted in my car. You nasty thinking mother suckers. Nah, dog, you killed it, man. Thank you, man. So now the next part of this project is I gotta do.
To like, subscribe, hit that button.
No, you
thumbs
can't.
up.
No,
Oh,
Dave.
my bad. Did I cut it too early?
Yeah,
Oh,
just
my bad.
you keep,
The little tire bird
no,
at the bottom.
No, they can't. No, it's not time for that shit. Man, see, look. People they just take over your show. They just take over. Just, you know what? You want the camera?
Beginner YouTuber. Bush about to show me all the jump ropes and loops that I got through.
The next phase of this is we're gonna let this stuff dry, and then I have to do some stuff with all the hardware. I'm going to change the color of
color.
Oh gosh! Oh gosh! I thought you gave him the color. Woo! That was close. Anyways, I gotta do some stuff with the hardware so it'll complement this jewelry box color. And then after that, I'm going to assemble the engine, transmission, and all that back together. And then I will reveal the color to you mother suckers.